Hello and welcome to our short CIB tutorial. Today we will show you how to easily create a compact one-page PDF from a very large Excel sheet. You know the problem. You have multiple tables and want to organize everything clearly on a page. All you need is the CIB PDF brewer, the only tool that can fit even very large Excel spreadsheets onto a single PDF page, including formulas and comments. It also works with Word and PowerPoint. You can find the free full version without a watermark below in the description. Let's take a look at the whole thing in practice. At the top of the menu, select the CIB tab. Then you select Fit Sheet to One Page, Transfer Formulas and Transfer Comments. Now just click on Create PDF and the whole thing will be brewed. After a short moment, you can check the data, enter your name and save the PDF. Now we open the file with CIB Docs View and take a look at the result. As you can see, the large table has been completely brought onto one page, including all formulas and comments. We hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments and subscribe to our YouTube channel for many more useful updates. Bye and see you next time.